Okay, continuing on with some transformations. This next example, I'm going to be adding 3 to the x values, which is going to shift horizontally 3 units to the right. I'm also going to be shifting 4 units down. So I'm going to do this one again visually, not using a T chart. I'm going to shift right 3, 1, 2, 3, and then down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the point that was originally at the origin. I'm then going to shift the point 1, 1, right 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm also going to use the point -1, -1, shifting right 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The graph shape is not going to change. I am not the best at free drawing this, but hopefully that looks pretty similar. So again, that graph just shifted right 3 units and down 4 units. Okay, I'm going to use the T-chart method with this one. Values inside the parentheses affect X, and there is no values outside. Those affect Y. So this is an H. Remember that inverse operation, we are going to subtract 1 from the X values. So to get my original parent function T-chart, I'm writing that in blue so it matches the color of the graph. We have the point 2, 3, the point 3, 2, 6, 1, and 11, 0. All I'm doing is I'm subtracting 1 from those X values. So X minus 1, the Y values would not change. So I'm just going to pull those Y values over first. I'm going to subtract 1 from each Y value. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 1 is 5, and 11 minus 1 is 10. Plotting those points, 1, 3, 2, 2, 5, 1, and 10, 0. We see that all that happened is that graph shifted left 1 unit. Shape of the graph did not change. All right, this next example, I am going to use the T-chart method with this. Values that are inside parentheses affect X. All we're going to do is we're going to multiply the X values, by -1. So to get some coordinates, actually, I'm just going to use these 3 coordinates right here. -2 is mapped to 4. -1 is mapped to 3. And 0 is mapped to 4. Multiplying the X values by -1 is just going to change the sign. So whatever was negative becomes positive, and 0 wouldn't change. And maybe I should add on a positive number coordinate on there. That coordinate is 1, 5, so that we can see if we multiply that positive 1 by -1, it turns it to a negative. The Y values are not changing, so I'm just going to pull those over and replot that graph. So 2, 4, 1, 3, 0, 4, and -1, 5. Okay, maybe I should have changed colors on those coordinates, but if I connect those points, we see that it just flipped over that y-axis. So that -1 inside is representing a reflection over the y-axis. Okay, with number 6, again, I'm going to use the T-chart method. I'm going to pick out some points that look like they are at whole number coordinates. So I think I'm going to use those points.